Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. My baby's coming to town, so let's get busy. So our oldest, who lives out of state from us, is coming to town with his sweetheart, and this is the current state of the guest room. We've never had a guest room before, and I have learned that it is my dropping space. It's where I put things to just have them out of the way, or if I need to put a purchase down before I figure out where I'm going to put it. It's also where I'm keeping all my crafting items. And this is not gonna work for them arriving, so let's get busy getting this space cleaned and organized. I've got some big plans. So the plan is to get this space cleaned out, organized, and in order to do that, I have decided that I need to move all my craft items to my master bedroom. Because in order to even start, I need to have a place to put all the craft items so that I can put some decor I'm not using into the closet. So let's get started. I actually bought this shelf on Facebook Marketplace in order to take all of my crafting items that I have stored over in the closet from the first day we moved in. We stacked them in there. So it's time to set them up in our master. I can't wait to get back to crafting. Got a little bit of everything, fabric and ribbon and sewing items, sewing machines, paint, and more ribbon and fabric and signs and things for making faux foods. I'm so happy to have that checked off the list. Guess how many boxes of crafting items I actually had? There's a few here on the bed. I have this little kit for my sewing items and then some things I'm planning on using for Christmas decor. All kinds of just catch-all things, some things I've picked up, some linens, and now that the closet is cleaned out, I can have a place to put some of the temporary decor, things that we haven't hung in the kids' bedrooms and other places in the house that I just kind of need to have out of the way for our guests. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this closet organized, set a few things in here that hopefully we will be hanging very soon. I can't wait for the walls to not be bare. Also wanted to share these with you guys. Picked them up at a thrift store for $1 a piece. I've also been to Costco, picked up some new pillows for our guests. So I normally shower after I'm done cleaning, but today I hopped in the shower and then I'm gonna actually take you guys outside here in a minute. There is a piece of furniture I picked up that I want to work on for the guest room. And I hope you guys keep all your Dollar Tree tins after the holidays. I use them all the time to store craft items, and I use zip ties all the time, especially around the holidays for decorating. So now it's time to tackle this bed. I'm going to go ahead and strip it. I haven't changed the sheets since they were here last to visit, so throw those in the washer and dryer, and then we're going to head outside so I can show you guys. I actually found this on Facebook Marketplace. It was someone's that belonged in their craft room. They were getting rid of it. It's in rough shape, but I think I can make it look 100% better, and it was $20, which to find anything like this, which is probably between a large nightstand to a small dresser, which is perfect for a guest room, can't beat the price. So sheets were in the washer, then the dryer. I painted that piece, and you're gonna see it here in a minute finished. I'm just putting on the fresh sheets. So do you guys like to fold your sheets when they're hot? Because I love getting crease lines and things. So when laundry is cold, I throw it back in the dryer like multiple times till it's hot enough. I'm kind of crazy like that. I did pick up a new bedspread just to add another layer so it's colder in the winter. And I picked up the black spread from Ross recently. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fold the comforter down here at the bottom of the bed. Also wanna do some Christmas decorating. So we're gonna utilize the little bit of areas we have in here. I don't want it to be too much. I want them to have space in here. It is one of the larger bedrooms, and our daughter's actually out of town. So our son's sweetheart is gonna have her room, and we've decorated that for Christmas. I'll share that with you guys soon. Her bathroom is attached, so she'll have her own bathroom, and then our oldest is gonna be in here. But since it is bigger, I figure they might wanna hang out in here, watch some TV and things like that. So now on to getting the bed just right, and then we're gonna decorate the little chest that I have in the room. That's something my husband built for me out of an old headboard. I added my IKEA pillow cover to a pillow we already had, just to add a little pop of Christmas. And I got presents. Santa is coming to town. So here is a look at the little chest. I'm just going to add a few little touches. Oh, I was going to add a few little touches. Has that ever happened to you? So since this will be the one time we see him before Christmas, we're going to just go ahead and celebrate the holiday with him. I've been busy working on all kinds of little gifts and little things for them. So I'm just going to decorate the bench and then use it as sort of like a mantle, hang a couple of stockings I picked up from Target Dollar Spot for them. I had every intention of using my Cricut to monogram them and, you know, life and time. So I'm just going to add these little penguins. We've had these for years. I used to have those in their rooms when he shared a room with our youngest son. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some presents here. And just like that, we did a little waiting and it looks like Santa arrived. So we are ready for our guests. I added this tree. I just picked it up from Target. It was $20. I just added some twinkle lights and then popped it in an urn I already had. I added my little lantern from Target Dollar Spot and the sled that they put out a few years ago. So that's one side of the bed. It's the nightstand side. And then I put a few Christmas pillows on the bed just to make it a little cozy. And then over on the other side, I'm gonna show you guys how the finished piece came out. So we managed to get some art on the wall. I was hoping to have a headboard right there, but yeah, that didn't happen. It is to come. And over here, I have fully painted and refinished that little $20 Facebook Marketplace piece. All I did was give it a light sanding and then I painted it with some flat black paint. Turned out great, and we can use it in other places in the house if we ever need to move things. Added a couple of bell trees and this from their childhood. So I actually made these a few years back using an old pair of their jammies I didn't want to get rid of. So these represent our 3 kiddos. I thought that'd be fun for him to have in here as a memory from his childhood. And then our realtor actually gave us a huge gift when we moved in, and it included a bunch of towels. So I figured that'd be fun to have on the bed with the bow on it, make it look like a little gift. And over here on our little chest, I have it fully decorated. So just a couple little things, mainly things they can eat while they are here, take home on the plane. They're just gonna bring carry-ons, so you can't really send them home with too much, but Santa managed to fill those stockings pretty well. I think it turned out really cute. I think it's just enough to make them feel like we're gonna celebrate Christmas with them while they are here. I can't wait for them to arrive. I am thinking I might need like a Christmas throw for the bed. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I hope if you needed a little motivation getting things ready for your guests for the holidays, this has helped you out a little bit. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.